Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Respironics oxygen concentrator. First, choose a well-ventilated spot for your concentrator, ensuring it's at least 6 inches from walls and furniture. Next, plug the power cord into a grounded electrical outlet. If you're using a humidifier, fill it with distilled water and securely attach it. Then, connect your nasal cannula to the oxygen outlet port or the humidifier bottle. To begin, press the power switch to the on position. You'll hear an audible alarm and see all 3 LED lights briefly illuminate. The red and yellow lights will turn off, leaving only the green light on, indicating proper function. Allow about 10 minutes for the oxygen delivery to reach your prescribed level. Then, carefully adjust the flow meter knob to your doctor's recommended liter per minute setting. Regular maintenance is crucial for your concentrator's longevity. Wipe down the exterior case weekly with a damp cloth, ensuring it's unplugged first. Periodically inspect and clean the air inlet filter to prevent blockages. Remember to replace your nasal cannula at least once a month for hygiene and optimal oxygen delivery. Also, run your concentrator for a minimum of 10 hours each month to keep its internal components lubricated and functioning smoothly. Safety is paramount when using your oxygen concentrator. Never smoke or allow open flames near the device, as oxygen accelerates combustion. Always plug the unit directly into a wall outlet. Avoid extension cords or adapters. If you experience low oxygen flow, check for kinked or blocked tubing. For continuous alarms, power failures, or any persistent malfunctions, immediately switch to a backup oxygen source and contact your home care provider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.